When my senior engineer was working with him, he was on hold. He put him on hold, and so during that time when he came back from being on hold, he mentioned, man, isn't it fun to listen to that old music, and they joked and bantered back and forth just to talk about, wouldn't it be great if we had updated music? Well, that's easy. We can fix that. I've got students who are highly capable of addressing that need for you. I've got the right student for the job.
Demonde is always finding a way to gain opportunities.
At first, I was like, I had to sit for a minute because I didn't know where to start. Because usually when I make music, it's more of it's a different culture than whole music or like elevated music. So I had to take a couple times to look around what whole music sounds like.
Demonde is a great student who is highly skilled in the area of music. And so he proposed a song for us.
I took the elevated music and I wanted to make it like something new. And because they said it was boring, so I didn't want it to be boring as well.
We were absolutely blown away. We're going to be able to push that out district-wide so that everyone can enjoy this music.
I was overjoyed mainly because it made my mom proud. My mom was excited for me, so as long as she's happy, I'm happy.
I think they get a great experience of working with clients in the real world setting. As an educator, I try to push them to interact with the clients on their own. So a lot of times I back out of it and it's just the student and the feedback. And for me, that's invaluable. I think that it prepares them for the real world because they have to produce that product.
The fact that a student at his age could create and compose music of this caliber was so just exciting to hear and see.
I'm thankful for the opportunity to be able to have the whole music for the school.